It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
What's something you own that you don't ever plan on using?
My uterus. Because fuck, and I mean this with all disrespect, them kids.
You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes.
The best thing about my mini strawberry beer glass can is that each one is unique. I hand place a strawberry and then I go back and place a stem on top. No two cups are the same.
I can keep a secret, kid. Yeah. Got my mind on your body and your body on my mind. Got a taste.
Our flip phone is 2000s inspired. There were no apps.
So I sit this motherfucker on his lap about.
Cola! Potato chips. Potato chips. Cola! Potato chips. Pudding.
Gummy bear.
Bang, she shot me one time. Bang, she shot me two times. Bang, bang, bang.
Unicorn.
added this to my wish list as soon as I came across it, but I could not, for the life of me, get it out of my mind. As you can see, it is a heart-shaped mic. It comes with a stand, 2 different cords, and the actual mic itself. And if you're wondering about the sound quality, I filmed the entire voiceover with this mic.